Hello Beez Bladers and welcome newcomers to the channel. I'm Brian and this knife is going out to a winner on my last giveaway, so I wanted to get a review in before I send it off. Thank you very much to my patrons for supporting the channel, and this giveaway was the 600 and 700 giveaway, and in a week's time we broke the 1,000 subscriber mark. You guys are freaking awesome. Your membership helps with supporting, the patrons membership helps with supporting giveaways. I really appreciate you guys. And you subscribers, your way of supporting is by hitting the like button and commenting in the comment section. That supports help the channel grow, and it also lets YouTube know other knife lovers might want to check out the channel. It's all about the algorithm. Don't ask me how it works, but that's how it works. So here is the Bestech Komodo, and I've had it about 5 months. I've used it a lot, nothing heavy duty. I've cut cardboard, opened packages, I've whittled some sticks, cut some saplings, I've carried it a lot. So I'm going to give you my review and thoughts on it. And we'll start with a quick rundown of the specs, measured and calibrated by yours truly. So let me zoom in here and we'll run through these real quick. I mean, not too quick, but quick enough. So the weight is 4.64 ounces. Your total length from tip to tip is 8 inches exactly, 203 millimeters. The blade steel is D2. You have a nice drop point blade with a flat grind. The blade length is 3.41 inches, and the sharpen length is 3.3 inches. And your blade stock thickness is 3.5 millimeters or 0.138 inches. So your blade thickness is about 11 thousandths behind the edge. It's pretty consistent at 11 thousandths, which is really nice, really nice. Your handle width is 1.3 inches, and the handle thickness is 0.58 inches, so just a little over a half an inch. It has a really nice feel, a really nice texture. There's a few different colorways to choose from, and I will link them in the description. You can get this at a lot of places. It's available. Trust me, it is completely available. So if you like the looks of this knife, you can get you one right now. You can get this at White Mountain Knives for 52 bucks. And, well, if you use the Beez Blades discount code, that's going to take you, what, like $46? So if you don't know how, just if you don't know how to see the links, go to the bottom corner. If you're on your phone, right there is a little V shape. You hit that and you get to see everything. Now, as far as fit and finish, I don't have any complaints at all on this knife. Here's your blade. I really like this swedge at the top. And there you've got Bestech Knives. Got some nice jimping. This jimping is just right. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's just enough if you want a little bit. You have a nice sharpening choil right here with plenty of room before you get to the plunge grind. So really nice sharpening choil. There's your Bestech pivot logo. And nice G10. This G10 has just a tad of texture, not a lot. It looks more textured than it is, and it's very contoured. You see there how contoured it is? It's nice and chamfered all along the edges. It's really smooth. It's not sharp to the hand on the inside or the outside, not even in here because you have these liners that are even with the G10. I don't like it when the inside of the G10 is real sharp to my hand, so that's very nice, very nice. Here you have a deep carry pocket clip, a little bit of mushroom sticking out, but it is inset, which makes it carry nice and deep. This is not a deep carry clip because you can see on this side you have a cutout, and on this side you do not. There is one screw for your pocket clip. The pocket clip, I've had no issues. It's nice in and out of the pocket. And if you look in here, you can see that we've got nice big old milled out spots in the liner. There you go. That helps with weight. So that's very nice, very nice. You got a G10 back spacer. And as far as your lockup is, it's stayed consistent. You know, it's right there about 50%. And it does have caged ball bearings in there, and it runs nice and smooth on those ball bearings. I've had no issues with this knife at all. It's sturdy. It feels good in the hand. Speaking of in the hand, let me zoom out a little bit for you. So here's your ergos. My hand from here to here is 7 1/4. From here to here is 4 inches. From here to here is 3.5 inches. And look how it fits. It's just perfect. This part right here is just in the right spot to fill your hand. It really does feel nice. I mean, as far as a good grip, this thing gives you a great grip. Look at that. That is just perfect. Now, if you want to put your finger up here for doing some really light stuff, that's good. It's definitely not a finger tool, but you can get on this ramp here to do some fine cutting. That's not a problem. And utility cutting is a dream. Utility cuts, I mean, look at that. I mean, would you look at it? It just fits in the hand so nicely. I really like this knife. That's why I put this in the giveaway. I didn't want to give away a knife that I did not like. There's your action. It has smooth action, so you can flip it. Now you can reverse flick it, but I've noticed if you go down here too far that it's a little hard. It kind of has a stiff detent, so you put your finger up closer up here. There you go. It has a stiff detent. It has good action, but there you go. Pow! It comes out with authority. You would almost think it was assisted. When it lets go, pow! It is out there. So that's really nice. Really, really nice. I don't have much, I don't know what I would say negative other than it doesn't have a reversible pocket clip. Doesn't have much of a sharpening choil to be spoken of. Or not sharpening choil, a finger choil. I'm big on, I like to be able to choke up on my knives. I mean, it does have a good sharpening choil. But you can't choke up on it. But that's overall my impressions of this knife after 5 months. I don't have much bad to say about it. It's a good knife. It's super solid. I like how it feels in my hand. The cutting has been really good. The geometry is really nice on it. 11 thousandths behind the edge. It's D2 tool steel. There's no complaints as far as that. So let's do some size comparisons for you guys. Here's the Spyderco PM3. So you can see it's a little bit wider, has more contoured. The handles aren't flat. Here's the Tenacious, if you have a Tenacious. So it has a little bit more width on the Tenacious. And here's the Pilar 3. Definitely wider than the Pilar 3. Let's show you what they look like up against the regulars. All right, so here is the Spyderco Manix 2. And we'll do these pivot to pivot rather than tip to tip. And here is Spyderco Tenacious. So you see it has some good length, has nice cutting length, nice size handle. I mean, it's all around a really good knife. And here's just a couple more for you. Here's the Para 3. And here's the Pilar 3. A lot of you folks have this one or this one. You see, has nice handle length, nice blade length. I really like the shape. I like how strong it feels. There's no blade play, no lock rock. If you come out here and go back and forth, 1 out of 100, I would give it a 1. I can feel something, but I really have to be squishing my hand down to try to detect something. So it is rock solid. It's very, very nice. So there's a quick rundown of the Bestech Komodo. And don't forget, I have a discount code to White Mountain Knives. The links will be in the description. That's pretty cool, guys. I really like it. Thanks for stopping by to see this knife. I'm going to be packing this knife up. I'm going to miss it. I really enjoyed it while I had it. I really liked it. I liked using it. I liked carrying it. It's comfortable in the pocket, comfortable in and out of the pocket. I don't really have many complaints whatsoever about this knife. So thank you guys for stopping by. Make sure to live in the present, keep a Band-Aid handy, and don't cut yourself.